Today we will be reading a book that begins where the title begins with the letter B. B. The title of our book today is Baking Day. The story was written by Rachel Walker and the pictures were illustrated by Kelvin Hawley. This is our title page and this is our front cover. Let's begin. The flour went in. The salt went in. The butter went in. The cheese went in. Mmm. The milk went in. The spoon went in. The tray went in. The scones came out. Yum! All right, I hope you enjoyed that book. Let's take a quick look at some of our amazing words that are in our story. The first word is out. Can you say the word out with me? Out. Good job. The next word is the. Can you say the word the with me? The. Good job. The next word is in. Can you say the word in with me? In. Excellent. The next word is came. Can you say the word came with me? Came. Excellent. The next word is the. Can you say the word the with me again? The. Good job. The next word is yum. Can you say the word yum with me? Yum. The next word is went. Can you say the word went? Went. Good job. And the last word today is in. Say the word in with me. Here we go. In. Have an excellent day, everybody. See you soon.